Well, what has happened in Benue State is an unfortunate development. And this is what some of us, especially in the National Assembly, have always been complaining about. The so-called Reverend Father, Governor of Benue State, is high-handed and is carrying politics way too high. The moment you disagree with him, even on principle, he goes after you. And that was what has happened in the case of the Speaker. The Speaker's offense is that the State Assembly rejected the confirmation, refused to confirm two commissioner nominees who were obviously unqualified, given the plethora of petitions that were raised against them. Ordinarily, that should have been democracy in action. That the House of Assembly is not a rubber stamp, that the House of Assembly has the capacity, representing the people, ensuring that the right thing was done. I can tell you that going forward, now that the House Speaker has been removed from his position, I can tell you, you will not be surprised if you hear tomorrow that those two commissioner nominees that were rejected have been reinstated and the rest of them. And don't be surprised also that everybody that participated in the process of either removing the Speaker or trying to remove the Governor will be on the receiving end, and they are going to be touched, no doubt about it. And so it's a very, very unfortunate development in our democratic process. And for the first time, Nigerians hailed the House of Assembly in Benue State for mustering the audacity to say, hey, we cannot pass these candidates for commissioner. Give us other candidates. And that becomes their offense. That has consumed the Speaker. And I can tell you that other leaders of the House will suffer virtually the same fate. The Speaker was literally forced to resign. You can see that his resignation letter was not even typed. It was handwritten. That shows you the pressure that was put on him. And that's not definitely good for our democracy. And I can assure you that at the appropriate time, the Benue people will speak.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.